So guys, on these faithful days, there is one of our boss who needed his car to be welded. Like they had an event, and then they wanted to decorate their car like the way they wanted it. So they explained to us, they called us, they explained to us that they wanted the car to look like a banana. So we come up with this wonderful idea, me and my friend Alan. So just take a look and see what we did on this car. Yeah. This is the product, the finishing. Can you take a look, guys? Yeah, we are working here. We are doing what we know. We are not learning. This take more than a professional welder to deliver this type of job. You see. So if you think that we're still learning, that's your own, Baba. It's your own. We are here. Yeah. So to deliver this type of work, you need to learn from a master. And we are the master here. We have mastered the work, and then yeah. So if you don't believe or you don't accept, then wait. When the right time will come, you will learn, I know. And you will learn the hard way. So act faster before it's too late. Check this angle. Every steel is perfect welded with precision. More than engineering here, just to be delivered like it was a request. Check here, guys. Can you take a look? This perfect finishing. Oh my. So guys, if you like, you appreciate the video, or you appreciate the work that we have done on this car, you have just to share, like, and follow our page for more videos like this. Yeah. And also, if you would like us to come to your place and do a work, you can just give us a call or send us a message on our page Facebook, or write us, text us on our WhatsApp. Thank you. Ciao.